Welcome back. So we are finally doing another cleaning product haul. I haven't done one of these in a very long time because I've been just buying products here and there, like cleaning stuff at Walmart, dollar store, just randomly buying things when I needed it. And I shouldn't be doing that because I told you guys that I'll be taking you on my haul. So what am I doing? So I've been without cleaning products for a while now. I ran out of it and I was like, you know what? I don't want to spend too much today as usual because you guys know I'll be shopping on a budget. I need some laundry detergent, some dishwashing liquids, some cleaning cloths, as well as some other things that I'll be picking up. But mainly today I'll be picking up some cleaning supplies and some cleaning, just stuff to clean with and stuff to clean my clothes and wash things, whatever. I don't necessarily prefer picking up like my laundry detergent and my dishwashing liquid at the Dollar Tree, especially my dishwashing liquid. It's just not a thing of mine, but everything else I don't mind. But today we're gonna be picking up everything. I'll probably try out a few of the laundry detergent stuff. I usually don't mind buying like fabric softener or those scent booster thingies from the Dollar Tree because as long as I put enough in and the load is not too big, it works fine anyways. But we're just gonna be heading into Dollar Tree. It's kind of nerve-wracking. I haven't done this in a while. I don't know why I'm nervous. Like, girl, I almost didn't even come out today because if y'all want to know what bipolar weather looks and feels like, just come to Canada. We'll provide that for you. Like, the weather is so like up and down. If it's not raining every day, it's raining every other day, or it's just cloudy. I was literally driving and looking in my rearview mirror like, what is going on back there? Like, everything just looked dark and cloudy, and in front of me didn't look so bad, but just looking behind me, I was like, and it just reminded me to tell you, like, don't look in your past, don't look back there. There's nothing good back there. Look ahead and go forward in life. Because when I was looking in my rear view, I was just like, should I go home? Should I even, like, I'm just not feeling it. But why not do some cleaning today? And because I want to do some cleaning today, I also wanted to get some like paper plates just to minimize washing dishes today. I'm not lazy. I wash dishes like all the time. I notice like if there's more people eating, or if it's like a Sunday where we do barbecue and stuff, I just rather have paper plates and stuff that I can easily just throw out. I hate washing a pile of dishes and stuff like that on days like that. It's just very time consuming. And right now where I'm at, I just try to eliminate things that I can if I can. So yeah, let's head into Dollar Tree. Oh man, a plane is going in the air. I want to go on vacation. But yeah, let's head into Dollar Tree, guys. I want a vacation. I want to go see my grandma. I really want to go see my grandma. She's in Jamaica. But yeah, soon, by the grace of God, I will see you soon, Grandma. If you're watching this, I do want to come see you real bad. But, I have to calculate, like, me traveling, my kids traveling. It's very expensive. And I don't have family like that back home to go stay with. And I want to go see my grandma, and I have to, like, factor in, like, hotel costs and everything. But, yeah, I just want to see her. She's not doing too well. And I just pray every time I talk to her that, I just get to see her. I just want to see her. So yeah, that's kind of why I'm shopping on a budget, guys. Because I got to go see my grandma. And I just have to budget where I can so that by the grace of God, I will see her soon. So yeah, let's get into Dollar Tree and buy some cleaning supplies. Okay, let's go, guys. Inside Dollar Tree, and even though I need other things, I'm just gonna head to the cleaning section first. And people look me dead in my eye like, yes, I'm the cameraman. So they have a laundry pre-wash. I never tried this before. It says stain remover, eliminates sub stain, so I guess you have to spray this on stains. I actually have a stain on one of my outfits. It was an oil stain though, so it might be hard. I'll try this. Let's see. Some fabric softener, and they have this kind. And they have this kind that, you know, one of these I'll most likely buy. I love the baby one. They also have the lavender scent. And they have the natural spring scent here. So I'll give these like a couple whiffs and see which one I like better. The baby one seems good. Ooh, lavender is good too. They're all pretty, they all smell good, but these two, like, they smell the strongest. I think I'm gonna try the baby one. Hey guys, they have these sponges that I haven't had them in a while, and I actually ran out, so I'm gonna get some of this. Okay, when it comes to the detergent, they have the OxiClean as well as a stain lifter one. They have this 2-in-1 laundry detergent, fresh scent. Which one do I want? Which one do I want? So I think I'm gonna smell them and see. This one says it does 21 loads. They all look like they do 21 loads because they are all the same size. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna smell these and see which one I want. I don't really get lavender from this, but I do get like a fresh scent. This is the lavender one. Okay, I'm gonna smell this stain lifter. I mean, I'm not expecting like, oh my gosh, the best out of it. We are at the Dollar Tree. But I like that they're filled all the way to the top. You guys know when sometimes you buy laundry detergent from like Walmart and stuff, it's not even filled to the top. Like, I feel like people are opening them and filling up their bottle. Could be just me, but that's how I feel. So all of these detergents pretty much almost smell the same. But I think I'm gonna go with the OxiClean version right now and just see how that goes. So I'm gonna get this OxiClean one. It actually smells a tad bit better than the rest. And when I say better, it just reminds me of just the regular stuff that I buy at like Walmart and stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm wondering why I'm so close. I forgot I zoomed in. It's a little bit better. Am I all up in your face? But yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this OxiClean version. And they also have some scent boosters. They got, you guys see faces looking in the camera. It just happens all the time. We got this bottle scent booster. I've used this one before. No, I've seen it before and I didn't like this one. That's what it was. Cause this don't smell good. This don't smell good. It was probably this purple one. They have this fragrance booster, and this has to be lavender. Usually lavender is purple. It's in French and English, but I don't see it saying lavender, but it has like this little lavender thing on it, so it has to be lavender. Yeah, this one, whew, smells way better than that pink one. I don't know what's going on with that. Anywho, whenever, like, you know, you go to an aisle, nobody's in there, and it just gets so crowded. Imagine when you have a camera on. How much times I have to turn it off? Anyways, they also have this okay, so this is oh, this one says morning light, because when I picked up this one, I seen that it says tropical fragrance here. I never seen this one. I never seen this orange one. Let me smell it. I smell the tropicalness. It's good. It's alright. I feel like I want to try it. I like the first one, the purple one, best, but I also want to try this one. They have this fresh scent that I hope smells fresh. It does have a fresh scent to it, but I'm only gonna get 2 of these. I think I'm gonna stick with the purple one, the moonlight scent one. The moonlight scent one, and then I'm also gonna get I'm confused between this one and tropical, but I think I'm gonna get tropical today. But when I come back, we gonna try this one. So I also wanted some like cleaner, some room cleaner. They have Pine Glow, which is kind of like a pine sol type of thing. They have this one here. This looks like the regular Pine Glow. They also have this awesome cleaner. Ooh, let me fix this. This awesome cleaner here. It's a floor cleaner. They have this all-purpose lemon cleaner. And most of them I can't smell because they have like a thing on the top here. They also have them floor cleaner. And that's good if this is $1.50. Our dollar store is $1.50 over here in Canada, so yeah. They also have some awesome all-purpose cleaner. Why does it say refill? I can refill this. Yeah, right. All-purpose degreaser and spot remover. And it seems like it's a pretty big bottle. And it's orange. I wonder if it's like an orange scent. It's new. It says it's new. Don't know how new it really is. But I need a cleaner like this one. I'll probably end up getting this one. I'm gonna smell it and see how that goes. They also have this fabric softener. I usually get this fabric softener when I'm in a Dollar Tree because it's the one that I see the most. They also have this new awesome cleaner in vinegar. I'm not really the biggest fan of cleaning with vinegar. I just don't like the scent. It reminds me of high school and just always smelling the hallways smelling like vinegar. I just wish the school board picked something else, so I just stay away from vinegar. But awesome cleaner is pretty good when you're shopping at the Dollar Tree, so it's a good purchase if you don't mind the scent of vinegar. I'm just so over it. So got some more stain remover. It's a powder OxiClean multi-purpose stain remover. So yeah, we got this. We got some more stain remover, and it's Oxy Power Wizard. They also got it in this bottle as well. I never seen like this one or like these ones when I came to the Dollar Tree. Like I said, I haven't been here in a while. So if you used any of these, let your girl know in the comments. Like, do you guys like it? Which one is better? This one, or this one? Got some toilet bowl cleaner. This one is one of my favorites. It actually works really well, and it's easy to use because it has this spray bottle on top here, so you just easily just spray it and like mop, or you can add it to your bowl of whatever concoction you're mixing together. They also got some dishwasher detergent, and this is a pack of 3. Now I don't know if it's really worth it to buy it in a pack of 3 for $1.50, but they also have this pack here, and it has a pack of 10, so I guess it all depends on, you know, if it works to your satisfaction or if you just prefer to have more. Okay, so I'm also gonna look for some like cleaning cloths because I definitely run out of those things, and I usually wash them in between in some bleach and some cleaner and some hot water, but after a few usages I just like to get new ones. And I don't know if it's like bad for the environment, but it's bad for my house if I keep reusing the same cloth over and over again, especially if I know that needs to go. They also got some, what is this, some Airwick scents here, and this is in, what is this, fresh linen. They also got Berry Blast. They have Hawaiian. Here's the Hawaiian one, and they also have Waterfall. So there's a couple of them here. I mainly use my candle and I burn my wax. That's just the main thing that I use, and I like to use like air fresheners, like those ones that I get from Bath and Body Works, as well as incense. I do use plugins, but I just never happen to always buy them, so it's not all the time you see me buying things like this. But this is tropical papaya, and they have a couple here, waterfall, lemon. The lemon is in a different bottle, so it's probably like a different plug-in that you would use for one like this. They also have some candles here. This candle, yeah, don't smell much from it, but Yeah, I don't want to tell you guys about these candles. So I don't know about that scent. That was what, fresh linen. It didn't smell like anything, and this just smells basic. So let's move on. Oh, they have some drain refreshers here. I guess you put these down your drain and it helps with the freshness. Stuff like that is very useful. And they have more air fresheners here, like the ones that you can just open up and just put in your bathroom. I use these ones sometimes. Okay, so I also needed some cleaning cloths, and we got a few here. So let me just show you guys. You guys know I usually buy these two, mainly because it's like one of the only two, or two of the only two that they always have here. So I like to get both colors because I be cleaning different areas of the house and I don't like to mix things up. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I want to show you guys everything that I got. So this is pretty much everything I'll be going to the register with, you know, stuff to do with laundry, things like that. This is just everything I got. But honestly, for some reason, this is not the only stuff I was filming today, but my camera was just giving me no break. It just keeps doing this funny thing. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm just gonna pick up some paper plates and some forks, like I was talking to you guys in the car about just having those on handy so I don't have to be doing so much dishes all the time. But yes, until next time, make sure that you guys subscribe so that you guys see more hauls and support the channel. It means so much to me. But yeah, until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.